My names are Herman Kome Kidinji. I am an industrial trainer and I train farmers on how to add value to their products, among them the farmers of chili pepper and even tomatoes. Over the last 7 years, I have been training and overseeing the establishment of companies in various categories, among them the agricultural sector, in which I have seen farmers add value to their products and benefit from the exercise. The biggest advantage of adding value to chili peppers is that once you process a commercial product which is branded, it can reach very many people because of the convenience of use. When chili pepper is processed into a chili sauce, many people can find its use in their homes, hotels, and other places. For this reason, farmers who have added value to their chili pepper by turning it into a chili sauce will benefit greatly compared to the farmers who are selling it when it is raw. This is because when it is already processed, it can reach very many people and you need to use very little of it to sell it at maximum prices of the current market values. In this course, we are learning how to make chili sauce, and this is value addition for the chili sauce, which will benefit the chili pepper farmers.